Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious Sapin-Sapin roll. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of sugar for the base. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of creamy coconut milk to bring it all together. For those beautiful layers, have your favorite food colorings and flavorings, such as yub or pandan, on hand. A steamer and a parchment-lined baking pan are also crucial for success. Now, let's create those signature colorful layers. Begin by mixing your dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate the coconut milk, stirring until smooth. Strain the batter to remove any lumps, ensuring a perfectly silky consistency. Divide this smooth batter into 3 equal portions. Add a distinct food coloring and flavoring to each, like purple for yub or green for pandan. Steam the first layer for 5 minutes, the second for 8 minutes, and the final layer for 12 minutes, allowing each to set beautifully. Once your vibrant layers are perfectly steamed, it's time for the exciting assembly. First, let the layered rice cake cool down a bit. This makes it much easier to handle. Carefully peel away the parchment paper from the bottom and sides. Now, with a steady hand, gently roll the entire layered rice cake into a tight, uniform log. This step is key to achieving that classic Sapin-Sapin roll shape, ensuring it holds together beautifully for the next stage. To complete your delicious Sapin-Sapin roll, let's add some delightful finishing touches. For a lovely sheen and extra flavor, lightly brush the entire roll with a bit of coconut oil. Then, generously sprinkle toasted sesame seeds all over, pressing them gently to adhere. Using a knife lightly greased with oil, slice the roll into appealing 1-inch thick pieces. Now, your homemade Sapin-Sapin roll is ready to be served and enjoyed as a wonderfully chewy and colorful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.